3 ways to dump your boyfriend fast. Why should you keep him around? Get rid of him now.
Jimmy, what if I told you there's a foolproof way to get rid of a clingy boyfriend in 3 days? 3 days? That's faster than a breakup text. What's the plan, Purdy? Step 1, overwhelm him with affection. Text him every 30 seconds. Send him 1,000 emojis. Send him 1,000 heart emojis. And call him by a ridiculous pet name in public. Like Snuggle Muffin. Snuggle Muffin, where are you? I miss you so much. He'll be running for the hills. Exactly. Step 2, get really into his hobbies. Too into them. If he likes video games, start giving him tips and beat all his high scores. He'll feel crowded in no times. Hey, I beat your top score in every game twice. He'll be looking for an escape route, probably next to Bob. Step 3, plan a future together. Way too soon. Start talking about picking out baby names or suggest moving in together next week. I've already called my mommy to tell her that we're getting married, me's and you. That'll make them disappear faster than you can say commitment. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to scaring away a clingy boyfriend in just three days. Cheers to freedom and reclaiming your personal space. Here's to the single life by the weekend.